The 5 we would normally say is very slow, but when you compare it to Florence, yeah, well, if we thought Florence could move at 5, we'd been happy last year. But it's moving west at 5 miles per hour. High sustained winds, just barely tropical storm force, and it sits in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's over those warm ocean waters. So right now, it's north-southeast of New Orleans, 2 o'clock on Friday, 60-mile-per-hour wind, so it's supposed to strengthen. But once again, I don't want to emphasize these winds because the storm, whether it gets to 75-mile-per-hour winds as it comes ashore, and even at 70 miles per hour at 2 p.m. on Saturday inland, it just is a matter of how much rain it dumps and how much storm surge it can throw on the coast. Should be a tropical depression by Sunday, then it just curves around in Arkansas and up the Ohio Valley. That's Tuesday. Effects for us, nil. There could be some remnant moisture by Thursday, but it's not, it's just typical summertime thunderstorm activity. So this is not a storm that's going to affect North Carolina. This is the map of Louisiana. I want to show this to you because they've added this in the last couple of years. This is the storm surge. This is what the map looks like. Are you looking? Now watch when they add the storm surge on here. I mean, it looks like half of Louisiana goes underwater, and there's possibility around New Orleans in this darker, this blue 2 to 4 feet, maybe up to 5 feet of storm surge going into New Orleans, and all that southern coast could have up to 6 feet of water coming in. So the storm surge is a major problem, and then the rainfall will be a major problem. And you can see the computer estimates of rain. It's narrowed it down a little bit, but it looks like right in the southwestern part of Mississippi, along that Mississippi River, that black is representing potentially up to 20 inches of rain. But as you look at New Orleans, they would see about 3 inches of rain. Morgan City would see more than that, about 6 or 7. So this is going to cause flooding. So it's all about the speed of the storm. If it can speed up and not dump as much rain as this is showing, things will get better. But if it dumps all over the Mississippi River, you know where that flows, down in New Orleans and down to the coast. So we'll keep an eye on Barry. Not a concern to us, but what's a concern to us is the heat and the possibility of just some summertime thunderstorms coming this evening. Looks pretty good in Raleigh at 90, 95 in Apex, 89 in Chapel Hill, and about 90 in Wake Forest. So the radar getting a little more active. By the way, the temperatures, except for Roanoke Rapids and Roxborough, in the 90s. Siler City 89, but we have a little heat spell there in Rocky Mount at 95. But you can see this little band of showers and storms. If you're watching us in Southside Virginia and right along the Virginia border, you will see some thunder rumbling through with some lightning in the next hour or so. To the west of Greensboro and in the Sandhills, we're picking up some, right now in the Sandhills, just showers, and there's one lightning strike near Robbins. So Fayetteville, it looks like it's trying to go to the north of you, but you could still see a shower or storm. So here's what to expect. A slight risk in any of those storms tonight could produce gusty winds, and the same story on Friday. Heat index is near 100. This is through the weekend, and once again, Barry will have no effect on us. So the marginal risk tonight is right along the Virginia border through the evening hours, and then tomorrow it kind of slips to the south for everybody, and it would be after 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock we could have a strong gusty thunderstorm wind. Rays of sunshine for tomorrow. Yeah, more clouds than sun, but enough sun to heat us up. 70s to start, 80s by noontime, 90s in the afternoon. But when you factor in the humidity, it'll feel like 100, and then we'll see those scattered showers and thunderstorms definitely after 3 o'clock. 92 Raleigh, 92 Durham, 93 in Fayetteville. So this little trough of low pressure, a couple showers and storms. You see some strongs along the coastal plain around 9 o'clock, a couple overnight, and then by tomorrow morning, we should be dry during the morning and lunchtime, but anytime in the afternoon, we'll fire up those showers and storms, and then this front will stay close to us on Saturday, and that could give us a shower storm, but less of a chance than today, or tomorrow too. So afternoon scattered showers and storms into the evening hours tomorrow, 92. More south of the triangle on Saturday, but we all could see one shower or storm in the afternoon and evening. It'll be hot, and then as we head towards Sunday, partly cloudy, 95. Very small rain chances, but a lot of heat Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and maybe some scattered storms on Thursday.